My name is ᒃᓚauᕋ. I'm from Cambridge Bay, Nunavut. Being on the board gives you an opportunity to make real change, but it also can be intimidating when you're new. For the past several years, I've sat on many boards. These are my top 10 tips to help you ease into your new role with confidence.
Tip number 1, know your value. Your lived experience in the community is very important. Your ideas, your story, and your perspective bring something unique to the table. Tip number 2, learn the role. Every board is different. Take time to understand how yours works, how decisions are made, and how you can contribute.
Tip number 3, find a mentor, reach out to someone with board experience. They can offer support, answer questions, and help you find your footing.
Tip number 4, be prepared and ready. Read meeting materials ahead of time. Note your questions. Being prepared means you're ready to participate and move things forward.
Tip number 5, speak up. Even if you're the newest person at the table, your voice matters. Boards need diverse perspectives, including yours. Tip number 6, stay engaged. Show up to meetings, join subcommittees, and be part of the discussion. Your commitments help the board do its work.
Tip number 7, understanding the rules. Learn how your board works, especially policies, finances, and how decisions are tracked. If something's unclear, ask. That's how we learn.
Tip number 8, know your rights. Think about how Inuit rights and women's voices are reflected at the table. You can advocate for others just by being there and speaking up. Tip number 9, work as a team. Boards are made up of people with different backgrounds and views. Respect each other and remember, you're all there for the same mission. Tip number 10, build connections. Board work opens doors. Meet new leaders, grow your confidence, and expand your impact. You never know where it will take you. Whether it's your first board or your 5th, remember, you belong. Be prepared, be curious, and don't be afraid to take up space.